In front of me is Honor Magic6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access biometrics and password. Then click on Screen Lock Password and tap on Change Unlock Method to select a perfect one for you. 4-digit PIN, custom PIN, pattern or password. When you're ready, you need to create it and repeat it to confirm it. Lastly, select Done at the bottom right corner. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!